Hi friends, welcome to day 2 of Stretching Made Easy. Today we're going to take a practice to a new level and it's just simply going to be awesome. So when you're ready, meet me on your yoga mat. Today you're going to begin seated on your knees. Turn long ways on your mat. And then come to standing on your knees, tuck your toes behind you, and have a seat. Now, this is a toe sit. Oftentimes, we do not stretch out our toes. When was the last time you specifically focused on stretching your toes? It's probably been a while, huh? So, this might be a little intense at first. If it becomes too much, just simply lift your body up and give your toes a break. Otherwise, we're gonna focus on some upper body stretches while we're here holding this toe sit. I promise the more that you do toe sits, the easier it's gonna get and the better you're gonna feel overall. So I am just letting time go by in this toe sit. Inhale, lift your arms up. And exhale, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me. Tricep stretch. Gently bend your right elbow and place your left palm on top of your elbow. Move your arms around a little bit to find what feels best in your body. Ooh, I feel a real nice stretch right now. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, release. Wiggle out your arms for a minute. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, bend your left elbow. Place your right palm on your left elbow. Move your arms around until you find the perfect stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. I know you feel your toes. You can do it. Exhale. One more cycle of breath. Inhale. Exhale. And wiggle out your arms just a little bit here. Now bring your palms onto your shoulders and take really big but slow shoulder circles here. Like you're trying to draw a really big circle with your elbows. We're almost done on your toes. You can do it. You can do it. Inhale. Exhale. Lift yourself up. Plant your palms and tap out your toes. Whoa, I remember the first time I ever did a toe sit and I thought it was just like so full of torture. I thought, why is my teacher making me do this? But now I'm doing them almost every single day and it's so good for your body to release energy from your feet like that. All right. We are going to move into one of my favorite postures called melting heart. From tabletop pose, walk yourself back a little bit if you're in a really small space. And then walk your hands forward, bringing your forehead down to the earth. Inhale. And exhale. Press down through your palms to bring your biceps tight by your ears. Keeping your hands where they are, gently pull your shoulders back, tucking your shoulder blades into your spine. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. And exhale. Very softly walk your hands back towards your body and press yourself up to tabletop. And then bring your legs through and have a seat. We're going to move into easy pose, crisscross applesauce, however you know this posture. Again, if this posture doesn't feel good for you, just like yesterday, you can take any other variation that feels best in your body. From easy pose, first of all, switch the cross of your legs. Whichever leg is in front, put it in back. Now let me just show you when I do that. I mean, my hips are pretty off and I do a lot of yoga. There is an imbalance and we often favorite one side of our body. So if you're just feeling really thrown off, it's okay. This is normal. We're just gonna give our not dominant side a little bit of extra love today, okay? Alrighty, so with your funky, easy pose, bring your hands to your knees. We're gonna do something really fun called a seated juice it up. You're going to move your torso around in a big circle, juicing up your spine, loosening everything up in your body. Now switch directions. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. All right, bring yourself to stillness and then come to lying down on your back. From here, extend your right leg up. Bring your palms just underneath your knee, the back of your knee, and very softly flex your toes and pull your leg towards your body. Now, you should be feeling a really nice hamstring stretch in the back of your leg, but if you get to the point where your knee is bending, you're going to disengage the entire stretch. So try to keep your leg straight with a micro bend in it and very gently pull your leg towards your body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Very gently bend your knee back down. Hug your knees in your chest to neutralize your spine. Plant your right foot down on the earth and extend your left leg up with your hands just underneath the back of your knee. Keeping your leg straight, very gently pull your leg towards your body. Once you find that your knee is wanting to bend, stop there so that you do not disengage the stretch. Ooh, I feel this stretch all the way from my heel up to my butt. That means I've got some really tight muscles. I hope you are feeling just as much of a good stretch. Inhale and exhale. Great job. 2 more rounds of breath. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Very softly hug your knees into your chest, giving your legs a squeeze. And now we're going to take a modified happy baby. Stamp your feet up to the sky. Bring your hands just above the back of your knee and pull your knees towards your armpits. Very softly, you have the option to sway side to side. You can bend and straighten one leg at a time. Whatever feels best in your body. Inhale and exhale. 1 more deep round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Hug your knees in your chest. From here, you have the option to roll on your side and meet me in a seat, or you can rock and roll 2 or 3 times up to a seated position and then have a seat. Great job working your way through day 2. I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Namaste, yogis.